Hi Vogue, it's Raza. I just got out of the shower and I will be taking you through my beauty secrets. I didn't wash my face in the shower because when I wash my face in the shower, it's like hot water and I don't want to like dry my face out too much because I have a combination of both oily and dry skin, so skincare can be hard for me sometimes. But I've really controlled my acne and my dryness over these past few years, so I just thought I would share my skincare routine first. So I start by using the CeraVe Normal to Oily Skin Foaming Facial Cleanser. This is probably the best face wash I have ever used. It's not stripping in any way, but it also like feels really refreshing and it cleans your face. I'm gonna put on this Aviva headband to push my hair back. I have no idea how people look good when they're washing their faces because it makes zero sense to me, but we're gonna wash my face anyways. For me, washing my face is super important. Okay, usually I use a toner, but lately I feel like toners haven't been doing me any good. So I'm just gonna go straight into using my Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1% Ordinary Serum. This is really good because I have a lot of acne scars and this just helps them fade. You always have to be careful what you're layering your skincare ingredients with because they could mix and then like cause your skin harm. This serum and glycolic acid is not a good mix, for my skin at least. I used glycolic acid because it was a chemical exfoliant and I thought that would help my acne because I used to have really bad like acne on my forehead. It was dark and it was just like only on the forehead area. And it did kind of help, but I think like adjusting my diet and also like using products that are better for my combination skin really helped. Moisturizing lotion for normal to dry skin. This feels great. Sponsor me. There have been other good face washes I have used, but none of them really compare up to this one, the CeraVe one. I did like the Youth to the People like superfood cleanser, but I feel like it didn't actually do anything for my skin. It just felt nice. Before putting on sunscreen, I like to gua sha. Here's my gua sha routine. I start with like the flat end and I go like under where the double chin is and I flatten that out on all sides. And then once I do that, I flip it so that this side lays where my jaw is and I do that 4 times. Like a slight angle and I just push the skin up. But I also want to support the skin so I'm not like tugging it because that would be bad. Apparently your nose grows as you age, so what I've been trying to do is like massage it inwards to keep the nose kind of slim. Not that I really have a slim nose. I take this end and I just do circular motions up into the eyebrow area. Once I've done the nose, I move on to the eyes. The skin on your eyes is the most sensitive area of the face, so I try not to tug at that too much. So I will probably just do like a swoop this way and a swoop this way to kind of lift it and like help the deep setness, because I have very deep set eyes. Finally, the forehead. I don't even know if I do this right. I just take this flat end and push it upwards in every direction. And then I always rinse my gua sha off because this is on my face every morning and should be sanitary, otherwise it's also going to start causing me acne. I'm going to put on sunscreen. My go-to sunscreen is actually Le Roche-Posay 50 SPF, if you know what I mean. It's like the one you shake and it's like a tan color and it's like very lightweight and it actually feels really nice too. But unfortunately I don't have that right now, so I'm just going to be using the CeraVe SPF 30 sunscreen, so I'm just gonna, but sunscreen is important. And make sure to get it on the neck too. Skincare is complete, I just need lip balm. I'm gonna go blow dry my hair and I will be back and then we will do the makeup portion of this video. So I don't know how to style my hair, so this is just what it looks like. I'm about to pin it back to do makeup anyways. First thing I like to start with is like a tinted serum. This one is the Hyaluronic Tinted Serum True Match Nude by L'Oreal. I like to use this because it's super moisturizing and it just blurs your face. And it's just like very natural. So I just put a drop on it and smear that everywhere. I alternate between this foundation brush and this beauty blender. And I think today I'm going to use the beauty blender. The beauty blender is much bigger. That means I can get started. I got my foundation downstairs. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. This is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in One. I got this in the summer after 8th grade, I think, because again, I had really bad acne on my forehead and I wanted to conceal it. But unfortunately, this is clearly not my shade. So I've just been using this like concealer that isn't my shade, but like it works, so it's fine. Plus, I don't want to waste product. So I just take the applicator, put it like here, here under the eyes, and then I also put it like anywhere I have acne or acne scars. Then I go in with this awesome beauty blender, and what I like to do is take setting spray and spray that onto the beauty blender so it just blends better. Since it's not a bronzer, I like to actually like contour and go like here, here, around the chin, and here. And I don't really know how to contour my nose, so I usually just leave that area alone. It's like a sample of their setting powder, and I just take like a eye makeup brush, put some powder on there, and like set it under my eyes because I have super fine lines and I don't want concealer to crease. Blush, my sister steals from me all the time, and there's a good reason because it is one of the best blushes I have tried. It is a cream blush and it's like a cheek tint. It is the Sweet Cheeks by NYX Professional Makeup. And honestly, a little goes such a long way. The applicator looks like this, and I like to focus it on the high cheekbones. It looks fine in person, it just looks really red on camera. Okay, here's an eyelash curler. Topic mascara, and this is the waterproof one. It's really hard to take off, so I kind of don't like waterproof mascara. Mascara's done. For eyebrows, I get them threaded because I have eyebrow hair that grows quickly, so I just take this like little spoolie. Hope that's what that's called. I just brush them up. I've been a really big fan of white eyeliner on my waterline recently, and I feel like it makes your eyes look bigger and it just helps them pop with and without. Okay, last but not least, lips. Now usually I use just like a tinted lip balm and call it a day, but I'm kind of in the mood to have like a red lip, so this is the e.l.f. sheer stick, and when I tell you this color especially is a dupe for the Clinique Black Honey, I mean it. This is like $5. It's moisturizing, it applies so nicely, and it looks just like the Black Honey. Here's the final look. The lip elevates it a bit, but like if you wanted it to be more natural, it could. That is the look. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if this helped at all, but like maybe it was cute, maybe it was fun to watch. And I will see you next time. Bye.